Once the air has been evacuated, remove the black pipe from the hot tub whilst the pump is running. Then you can turn the pump off. Remove the black pipe from the back of the hot tub pump and remove the adapter and place the blanking cap back on. Then place the adapter back on to the black inflation pipe. Place this back in the black foot bowl. Now put the hot tub cover onto the hot tub pump and place the hot tub pump in a safe place. Replace the dust cap on the hot tub and carefully fold down the edges as shown in the video. The colder it is, the harder this will be. And fold in half. You will need the rope to secure it in place, as shown in the video. Tie one end through the loop and pull tight and just put an overhand knot to secure. Pick up your hot tub and place in a safe place. Do not drag your hot tub. Fold the ground sheet in any way you want. This will be full of water, so you may want to drain it in a safe place. Place your black box in a safe place with the blue foot mat and roll the grass up. This will be full of water, so you may want to stand it up to drain.